Hey kids, JD here. Today we're doing a special recipe because we've hit 20 subscribers. I understand for some people that isn't a big deal, but there's a lot of channels out there that never even get 20. So why not? What the heck? Do we need an excuse to be happy? I don't think so. So the dish that we're making is Rogan Josh. It's a lamb dish that is very popular in America, at least. As usual, this is a pressure cooker dish, so what we're going to do is prepare it, cook it, try it in front of you, let you know how it is. So before we get started, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit me up on social media, and let's get going. This recipe, I use 250 grams of lamb stew meat, but use whatever you like. Remember, the thicker the pieces are, though, the longer it's going to take them to cook. Mix this with a half teaspoon each of garam masala and salt, and then a quarter teaspoon each of fennel powder and garlic powder. Add 2.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder if you have it. If you don't, you can use paprika. To this, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, preferably the Greek type. In a pressure cooker, layer 4 teaspoons of water and ghee. If you don't have ghee, use whatever kind of oil that you have. Layer on top of that 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have a recipe for that. Hopefully it'll be up here. 100 grams of chopped onions on top of that, the mutton mix, and then 1 hollowed out tomato. I gathered the impression this is supposed to be kind of small. You don't need one of those big giant ones, so I used a Roma type tomato, but use whatever you have. Cook it in the pressure cooker for 6 minutes on high. When you're done, plate it, mash the tomato up and mix that in there. And now we're going back in time to when I actually made the recipe to get my reaction to it. So off we go. Got some onions, got some tomato skin, got some lamb chunks. Let's just dig into this and see what happens. This is pressure cooked Rogan Josh. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's really good. What I'm getting is a little bit of everything. Not really so much of the tomato, but little bits of the garam masala are coming out. Because there's ginger and ginger garlic paste, ginger's a little more prominent. I have to say the sauce is super delicious. It seems like any of the spices that came off the meat got in there. So this may just be a thing you need to do with rice or naan or something. Some kind of starch to absorb it all. But yeah, that's really good. I almost like that better than I like the other components of it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed our 20 subscriber special. Hope you take some time, make some Rogan Josh yourself. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, check us out on other social media. Leave a comment, leave a like. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.